Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 24th December 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, the donation of the imperishable jewels of this knowledge is the greatest donation. It is through this donation that you receive a kingdom. Therefore, become great donors. Question: what are the main signs of the children who have a keen interest in doing service? Answer: 1. They do not like the atmosphere of the old world at all. 2. They are happy to serve many and make others the same as themselves. 3. Only in studying and teaching others do they feel comfortable. 4. Even if their throats dry up while explaining to others, they remain happy. 5. They don't want anyone's property. They do not waste their time chasing after someone else's property. 6. Their strings of attachment are broken away from everywhere. 7. They have generous hearts like the Father. Apart from doing service, they do not find anything sweet. Song is Salutations to Shiva. Essence for Dharana. First is, day and night only have thoughts of service. Break all other strings of attachment. There is no comfort for you without doing service. Do service and make others the same as yourself. Second is, become as generous-hearted as the Father. Feel everyone's pulse and then serve them. Use your body, mind and wealth to benefit Bharat. In order to become unshakable and immovable, be obedient and faithful. Blessing for today. May you be a world server who remains free from the web of any questions such as why and what, and become a ruler of the globe. Details are: when your discourse of self-realization spins the wrong way instead of the right way, then, instead of becoming a conqueror of Maya, you get caught up in the spinning of the confusion of looking at others. Because of this, a web of questions such as why and what is created. You yourself create it and then you yourself become trapped in it. So, be knowledgeful and continue to spin the discourse of self-realization in the right way, and you will become free from any web of such questions as why and what. You will become Yogyukt, liberated in life and a ruler of the globe. You will continue to tour around with the Father doing the service of world benefit. By becoming a world server, you will become a king who rules the globe. Slogan is, put your plans into a practical form with a plain intellect and success will be merged in that. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Now have the deep concern to become complete and karmatit. When you come close to your karmatit stage, neither will your intellect be subservient to any soul nor will you create any karmic bondages. This means that you will be free from all karmic bondages, be detached as an instrument will enable actions to be performed through matter. In order to experience the karmatit stage, you do not repeatedly have to make effort to be detached. Easily and naturally experience, the physical organs that are doing everything are separate from the soul who is making it happen.